Hello, good morning. My name is Dr. Apollo. So we will continue our discussion of our management accounting segment. So this time, we will be tackling accruals and prepayment accruals. No? So what is an accruals? Accruals are expenses. These are expenses or revenue that have been incurred or earned but not yet paid or received. So we call it accruals. Take note of the definition. Not yet earned, incurred or earned, I'm sorry, have been incurred or earned but not yet paid, no? Or received, no? Example, Apple has accrued expenses of 10 million for salaries and wages owed to employees at the end of fiscal year. So Apple have a payable of salary. So the journal entry could be like this. Take note, this is from IFRS, International Pattern or Standard. No? So they have an account here, salaries and wages, expense. The entry is debit, 10 million. Of course, because it's payable, take note, anything that comes out from your pocket, you call it debit. If it is going to your pocket, that's a credit. No? Then accrued salaries and wages. So it is credit because they're going to work and then the company will receive more than that amount. But it's just that this amount to make it balance. But in reality, it can be more than, it can be 1 billion. No? But for the journal entry purposes, they have to make it balance, debit and credit. So that's a record. Okay, example, accrued revenues. Apple again has accrued, accrued revenue of 5 million for services provided to customers, but not yet billed. Take note of that. Accrued, no? Not yet received, earned, but not yet received. So the journal entry is this like this one. Accrued revenue. So it could be like account, accrued revenue, debit, 5 million. Like similar to that one. Because this is accrual service revenue. Of course, they just make it 5 million because to make it balance for the purposes of record. For the prepayments are made in advance or for goods or services that have not yet been received. For example, you pay the supplier, but so that they will allocate you that number of raw materials. So that is normal, no? So because in the business, when you make an order, you pay 50%. So just like that. Or some are partial. So prepared expenses, for example, Apple has prepared 2 million for insurance premium. So again, he paid 2 million. Then will for the cash is credit, no? Credit because it's equal to receipt. He, he ordered was prepaid so debit. So example, prepaid revenue, Apple has received prepayment 3 million from customers for services to be provided in the future. So this time is a different situation. So the entry could be like this one. Cash. Normally cash you have to credit, but now you have to debit because you have has received prepayment from customers for services be provided in the future. But this is cash, so debit. Unearned revenue 3 million. So balance, no? Just record. Now, accounting standards, IFRS and US GAAP, because there is also UK GAAP. So let's talk about these our references. Of course, you can go about it. Okay, we just type. Then interest adjustments. Let's talk about it. No? So interest are the payment in the for the payment for the services of the cash. We call it now. And adjustments along with examples, citation. So interest is the cost of borrowing money. So that's how the investors makes money or the income earned from lending money. Example, Apple has a loan of 100 million with an annual interest rate of 5%. The interest expense for the year is 5 million, 5% annually. So 5% of 0.05 times 100 is 5. So the journal entry could be like this. Interest expense, that is debit. because you're going to pay, no, going out from your pocket. Interest payable, uh, because this is cash credit, no? Payable, no? So example, but I'm sorry, it's quite a lot of confusion, but look at the pattern. How do they handle cash? And then the expense. Still anything that's the principle, anything comes out from your pocket, debit. But you receive credit. And this one, this is payable. Should be debit, but take note, this is cash. Okay. Example, interest income. Apple has invested 50 million in a bond. Example, you buy a bond from the, because Apple have a surplus, 50 million. Then instead of staying in the bank, better buy a bond and then to earn. Because in the bank will pay, they pay only 2% plus they deducted the interest. I'm sorry, the tax, no? So better in the bonds and secure. No charges, no? So 4%. So that is a big money. Maybe that 4% is enough to pay the wages and salaries of consultants and employees. Okay? So that's why company strategy is investment. It's a money financial strategy. Okay, so journal entry could be like this. Interest receivable, take note debit. Because this is money. Should be receivable credit, but take this money, so it goes to debit. A lot of confusion, no? So just take note the pattern. Interest income. So income is payable, should be uh, should be debit, but credit because it's money. They are reversing the entry. Adjustments are changes made to the financial statement to reflect the accrual basis of accounting. Example, Apple's accrued expense of 10 million for salaries and wages owed to employees at the end of fiscal year. So the journal entry could be like this. So salaries and wages expense. So take note, this is a accrual, this adjustments. No? That's nothing to do with the previous example. Take note of the adjustment. What's the adjustments? Are changes made to the financial statement to reflect the accrual basis accounting. So these are changes, maybe some strategy. So the any decision, pronouncement of the board or the president has an implication in financial. No? Take note of that. Whenever presidents make a move, then it can be positive or negative on the side of the financial. So be careful on making a action because it's very costly. For example, declaring a war. Oh my goodness, you must have a big money to sustain the 10-year, paying the soldiers, things like that. No? Ammunitions, armaments, no? And many things. Not every that's a rare instances. But again, company is declaring war against the other company, marketing war. So marketing warfare, so expensive. No? So the account salaries and wages is debit. Why? Because going to shelves out accrued salaries and wages. Credit. Also, from that working employee, it will going to return this also credit. So balance. No? Yeah, but actually, it's more than this one. So prepayment adjustments, Apple prepaid expense 2 million for insurance premiums. The journal entry calculates prepared insurance. Take note, insurance is payment. Uh, Layout, no? You will go to shelves out the money. But take note that this is cash, so 2 million will be credited. We're talking about uh, example of this one has insurance, no? Premium. The income in the insurance is only if there's an accident or something. So this is for the peace of mind. But take note, all of these payments is paid. You pass it along with your customers. So accounting standard IFRS. No? Okay, these are the. Okay, let's talk about depreciation in the next meeting. So we're going to stop for this one for now. Thank you for